Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain in detail functionality about the user story 1. Let me close this. Let me run the POPs system. So here we can find the database access and you can find the user access. I'm giving you for user access. So here we have a clerk and warehouse two user roles and I'm choosing clerk for C. I'm registering the new customer by entering or I'm giving the name. So as part of the validation, I'm giving the number. The system won't allow you, or else I keep it as a blank. The system also won't allow you to enter the empty column. So I'm giving the Adam, I'm giving the phone number, and I'm entering the email ID. So the Adam is registered successfully and his ID is 8. You can see that back in database whether the data is stored in the database or not. See here the his ID is 8, customer name, phone number and mail ID is successfully stored in the database. We can perform another operation as part of a clerk by taking an order. So these are the list of the menu. We can choose one of the product like pens, quarter quantity of 10, and the customer ID. You can give the customer ID as a 9. Let's see and check whether 9 is will allow or not. It won't allow you because the 9 is not in the database. So I'm giving the 8. And the shipping address is moderate. The remarks field is an optional field. If you want, you can leave the blank and you can give the any remark like that emergency order. So here the order is created successfully. The order ID is 11. We can see in the backend database. See the order ID is 11, pens 10. The status is open and the shipment is no. That's it. And can see the another operation by the clerk assigning order to the salesperson. I'm giving A. So these are the open orders. You can see here. And these are the list of the salespersons. I'm entering order IDs 12. Let's check whether the 12 will allow or not. See here, the provided order ID 12 is not in our records. Please check and try again. So I'm giving the 11. So the salesperson ID is 1. Order 11 is successfully assigned to the ID 1. Let's see in assigned orders. See, order 11 is assigned to the salesperson ID 1. Now we can out of a warehouse manager access giving W. So one more operation was the warehouse can able to read all the orders irrespective of order status. So I'm giving OR to retrieve all the orders. So here from order 1 to 11, he can able to read all the orders. What type of orders is closed, what type of orders is in production, what type of orders is in open. So all these order details can able to view by the warehouse manager. And I'm entering B to the menu and Q for the quit. Thank you.